Many students in Nigeria believe that you need connections, money, or influence to get a scholarship. But that is not true. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get scholarships in Nigeria without knowing anyone important. Scholarships are opportunities given to students to support their education. They can cover tuition fees, accommodation, or even full living expenses. And the good news is, many scholarships are based on merit, not connections. The first place to look is government scholarships. These include federal and state scholarship programs. Examples include Federal Government Scholarships, PTDF Scholarship. State scholarships like Lagos and Niger State programs. These scholarships are open to all students who meet the requirements. Many Nigerian universities offer scholarships to students with strong academic performance. You don't need connections. You only need good grades, discipline, and timely application. Always check your school portal or student affairs office for updates. There are also fully funded international scholarships available to Nigerians. Examples include DAD Scholarship in Germany, Chevening Scholarship in the UK, Erasmus Mundus Scholarship in Europe. These scholarships often cover tuition, travel, and living expenses. Companies and organizations also offer scholarships every year. Examples include MTN Foundation Scholarship, Shell Scholarship, Agbami Scholarship. These are highly competitive but do not require personal connections. Most students miss opportunities because they don't know where to look. You can find scholarships by searching Google for fully funded scholarships for Nigerians, visiting university websites, checking official scholarship portals regularly. To increase your chances of getting a scholarship, apply early, follow instructions carefully, write a strong personal statement, and never give up after rejection. Consistency is key. At Blooming Hearts Foundation, we believe that no student should drop out of school because of money. Education is a right, not a privilege. And opportunities are available for those who are ready to look for them. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Blooming Hearts Foundation for more educational content that empowers students and women. Together we can empower, educate, and elevate lives.